This is Suvarnabhumi Airport and we're heading to Malaysia right now, back home. Yeah, come on, let's go. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Just landed at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Heading out to see the family now. Just got our luggages. Right now we're heading to meet the family. Show you what I'm eating today. So this is what we call Nasi Campur back in Malaysia. So what we have over here is like a lot of different kind of dishes. So you've got curries, the rendang, you've got fish, eggs, even chicken there. First thing that you want to do is grab the rice. It's pretty cool over here because everything is self-service. I like to make my Nasi Campur really saucy. So I'll normally add quite a bit of curry on top. This is petai. This petai is actually sato beans. It's quite pungent. It's not like durian kind of pungent. This kind of pungent is kind of a bitter pungent, but it's really good for your health. So this is what we call ulam, our Malaysian traditional salad. And this is kacang botol. Don't even know what to call it in English. I don't even know what this is called. Let me just ask Daun Salom. Okay, so this is called Daun Salom over here. Let's go enjoy our food now. Ayam, which is a chicken rice, and my Nasi Campur, a variety of different dishes in here. This is our ulam, which is our salad, and we've got another set of things at Shang too. So yeah, how you eat this is pretty simple. Just mix them all up and enjoy. Perfect. It's got so much flavors and the rice is just awesome in here. For the ulam over here, how you're gonna eat it is just add it with some sambal here and then just... Now this is the one that I like the most. I don't even remember what it's called. What is it called again? Daun Salam Suru. Perfect. Let's try some chicken rice over here. That's like two different types of sambal over here. Sambal kicap in the middle. Now this is super spicy. Don't be fooled by the color itself. And then we've got the sweet chili over here. Let's try the rice. Gonna eat this with some sambal that we've got over here. Where is it? Over here with two other drinks that we have. This is teh ice. Teh ice is like a milk tea that we brought. And sirap bandung. Sirap bandung is a rose flavored drink with some condensed milk and evaporated milk there. Yum. So remember the different curries that I've had for lunch? Now I'm gonna make one of it, which is rendang. What's special about today is I'm gonna make a veggie version of it. So definitely you'll be needing our rendang chili paste, coconut milk, water, desiccated coconut, salt of course, then your beautiful vegetables over here. I'm using aubergine because it's soft and nice, and then you have two different colored bell peppers just to bring out the vibrancy. Then we've got potatoes and a lime. So let's get started. It's really simple. Get a big pot or anything like a saucepan will do. Now, I'm firstly gonna be toasting the desiccated coconut, and we just want to get like a nice toasted brownish golden color to it. And let's throw them in. There we go. Remember not to put it on too high of a heat because you don't want to burn the coconut here. That's it. All done. So right now we're just gonna put this back into here. There we have it. let's cut up all the vegetables. So this is about like 3/4 of an inch. Now in Malaysia, you don't really get a lot of vegetarian rendang. It's only because rendang traditionally is made with beef or even chicken. Now that's done. We're gonna move on to the potatoes first. I should have done this first only because potatoes take longer to cook, and I'm just gonna put it in the so it's softer. Now let's continue with our ingredients here. For the bell peppers, we'll just leave it till the end because I still want it to have a nice crunch. Next thing we want to do is to pop in some rendang chili paste first. It smells amazing. Then we're gonna add in some aubergine. Make sure you coat the aubergine with all the beautiful rendang. Let it simmer in medium to low heat. Put it up and let it cook. That's it. If you've got a slow cooker, it's even better because you can do this the night before or even in the morning and have it for your tea. What you do is just pop all the ingredients in a big slow cooker and that's it, and leave it to slow cook for around 5 to 6 hours. So time to see how a rendang looks like. Oh my god, this is amazing. Can you smell it from over there? So let's add the coconut milk. Now it's time to add in some salt. There we go. Our bell peppers. And last but not least, our toasted desiccated coconut. Okay. This is exciting because the next thing is I get to eat. And we'll just need some rice to go with it. Magic rice. Now to the favorite part of my entire video and everything that I do, which is to eat. Now squeeze some lime. Go. Okay, that's me sorted for today. So try out this simple recipe at home and let me know how it goes. So remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any cool ideas that you want me to make, just leave a comment down below. See you next time. Bye!